with those few lyrics, we're also kind of circling, wrapping up these few concepts that we have throughout our whole album, where is like this duality, polarity thing, where we have shadow, light, black and white. Then we have the Trinity of witches, bitches, and goddesses.
Yeah.
And we have 4 phases of the cycle.
The seasons.
Yes, the seasons, 8 songs. So each season, 2 songs. So in my mind, it was, like from 2, it becomes triangle, to 3, it becomes square, to 4, and it becomes circle of life. So it kind of evolves in a way.
Yeah, that's lovely.